Did you know that you could design a logo for your business in under 10 minutes and all for free? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that step by step. Hi, my name is Paris and I'm with Bluestrap Media, and on this channel we share with you tools and tips on how to grow your business with online marketing. We shall be designing a logo with a tool called Canva, which is a free software, and let's get right on to it. For demonstration, we can design a logo for Jack who wants to open a coffee shop, so let's hop onto the computer. So in order to begin to design our logo, you want to come to canva.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. So you come to Canva and then you sign in, or you sign up if you don't already have an account. I've already done that. So we'll just go on. And then here on your menu, you can see we have some templates there for social media, personal business, marketing, education, trending. Then you have features that Canva has. You have photos, icons, the apps, and so on. You also have here a tab that shows you some courses and tutorials that you can use to be able to get the most out of Canva. Then you have search bar here. So because we want to design our logo, so you go to the templates, and then under business, then you can get the logos there. So this is one way to be able to access the logo templates. So another way is just to type in the logo here, and then you just click on this one or whichever logo. It will just take you to the templates. So a third way to be able to access the templates for the logo is just to go to create a design. If you click on create a design, you can see presentation poster, Instagram post, then you can click on the logo. So you just click on the logo and it will take us to where the different logo templates are. So here are the different logo templates that are there in Canva. You can see some, you see there's a hospital logo, doctor's logo, church logo, and if you keep scrolling, you can get for the different other industries. For Jack's Cafe, we'd be interested in either the food and drink logo, or we can keep scrolling down. We have the restaurant logos, or we have the cafe logo. So for Jack, the cafe logos is what is most relevant. So you just click on see all, and then you can see all the different logos that we have here. So you can choose whichever one you like, and then you can just customize it. So for the purpose of illustration, for us, we'll begin just with a blank canvas. So we start with just as it is. You can just click out of that. So now we go to you see now we were at the templates. So now we click on elements, and then you can see different elements coming here. These ones are recently used. You can see lines and shapes there. There's a graphics, photos, videos, and as you go down, you'll see audio, charts, frames, and so on. So what we want to look for is in graphics, we want to go to graphics, and we want to look for something that can be able to be used for Jack's Cafe. So let's choose coffee cups. So I'd already typed in coffee cups. So let's look at some of the available coffee cups that you can use. So you keep just scrolling down until you find something that you like. So personally, I like this one, but you can choose whichever one you like for your specific business. So this is the image. So as you keep moving it, you can see the purple lines that are coming. Those ones are used just to help you position. So you can just keep moving it until you find a position that you like. We want it to be a little bit up here so that we can have some text under it. We also want to change this color. So here you can see when you tap on it, you can see this color is black, but we don't want to have black. So you just click on this one, then you look for the different color families. So as you scroll, you can see the colors keep changing. So for Jack's Cafe, we want to look for a color brown. So this is sort of brown. Then you move. As you keep moving, you watch the image. So the image will keep changing. You see the image keeps changing color. So just look for a color that you like for your image. I think for Jack's Cafe, we can settle on, that looks nice. So we can settle on that color for the coffee cup. So now we put in some wordings, and then so you just click on the add heading, and then you move it a bit up to the position that you like, and then you can just type in. So we'll type in. So we've typed in Jack's Cafe, and then we want to change the font. So I like this font, so we can use that one. This is a serif font because it displays a bit of elegance, and that is what we want for the cafe. And then you can bold it if you like, and then you can increase the font here if you like. You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. Just keep increasing the font as you like. So we want to change now the color of that. So we already had this brown, so we can either choose that brown there. If you just click on it, it changes color to that, or you can go back to the color sort of wheel and just choose something else that you like. So we can go with something a bit darker, not black but darker. Fine, that's okay. So now we add in something else. We can add in another heading here, which is a sort of a subheading, and then we can type in. Yeah, so we've typed in coffee, food and wine. So first of all, it's too big, so you can reduce the font like we did before, or you can just hold one of the corners of this and you just drag it inward. If you can change the text font here to be maybe the same as what is on the top heading, yeah, that's okay. And then now you can change the colors of the background. So the colors of the background, you can go to again the color slider there, and you sort of choose. Now we want the browns for sure. Then you choose one that you like, and if you keep dragging this, you can see, so you have black, you have that, so you're just playing with it until you get something that you like. So somewhere there, I think yeah, I think that's okay. So another thing you can do, let's imagine that someone will be seeing this logo on the phone, so you can reduce this up to around you know, maybe 20%. So you can see that on the 20% we can still see Jack's Cafe, so that's okay. So you want to develop a logo and think about it in terms of where will this logo be displayed. Then you want to download it. If you're happy with the logo, you can go now to PNG. So PNG is suggested. You can, it's a high quality image, you can download that, or you can go to JPEG or PDF or even the vector file. So you choose whichever you'd want. One thing you want to do is to click on the transparent background so that you can use it on different other backgrounds, and then it would still look okay. Then you can just download it. So this is where you name. So this says Jack's Cafe. Another thing you can do straight here from Canva is to share the logo on your different social media handles. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe for more great content.